Today we're making a bold and comforting Portuguese classic that's packed with flavor. These spicy stewed gizzards are slow simmered in a rich tomato sauce with wine, beer, and aromatic spices. Tender, savory, and slightly spicy. They're perfect for sharing with family and friends. Serve them as a delicious appetizer or as a full meal with rice. Let's get cooking. Moelas Piri-Piri. 1 kilogram of chicken gizzards, 1 onion chopped, 1 cup of white wine, 1 cup of beer, 250 milliliters of tomato pulp, 2 tablespoons of pimento paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce or chili, salt and pepper to taste, 1 drizzle of olive oil. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pot and saute the chopped onion until soft and fragrant. Add the tomato pulp, the tomato paste, the pimento paste, and the hot sauce. Stir well. Add the chicken gizzards to the pot and mix so they are well coated with the sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Pour in the white wine and beer and stir everything together. Bring to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for about 1 hour until the gizzards become tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve hot as an appetizer or as a main dish. Pair with fresh bread or a side of white rice. And there you have it. Rich, spicy Portuguese-style gizzards. A comforting dish full of flavor and tradition. Perfect for sharing as an appetizer or enjoying as a hearty meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Faça e coma! Cooking the tomato mixture first helps develop deeper flavor. The combination of wine and beer gives the sauce a rich and balanced flavor. Stir occasionally during cooking to prevent sticking. Moelas taste even better the next day as the flavors develop. Sprinkle with chopped parsley before serving for extra freshness.